Brabus is redefining luxury performance by fully integrating Bentley into its tuning portfolio, moving beyond its previous Startech efforts. The result is the 900 Superblack Coupe and 900 Cabriolet, which transform the latest Continental GT and GTC into extreme performance machines, boasting a combined output of 888 horsepower and 1,100 newton-meters of torque. This rework not only amplifies performance, but also erases any trace of Bentley's factory identity, creating a car that is unmistakably Brabus from every angle. The transformation begins with an aggressive exterior overhaul. The 22-inch Monoblock ZM Platinum Edition forged wheels in black anchor the stance, while the full carbon fiber body kit reshapes the front splitter, integrates new intake details, and adds a subtle lip spoiler. At the rear, the diffuser now houses quad tailpipes connected to a stainless steel exhaust system with active flaps, tuned for both acoustics and flow. Every Bentley emblem has been removed and replaced with carbon fiber inserts on the hood and tailgate, completing the visual metamorphosis. Inside, the cabin receives Brabus's signature masterpiece treatment. Every surface is clad in quilted and perforated leather, accented with embossed B emblems and carbon fiber trim on the dashboard, door panels, and door sills. The attention to detail ensures that the interior is as luxurious as it is visually striking, maintaining comfort while emphasizing exclusivity. Under the hood, Brabus has upgraded the plug-in hybrid system while keeping the electric motor intact. The twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 receives bespoke turbochargers, a carbon fiber airbox, and reprogrammed ECU mapping, resulting in a combined output increase of 117 horsepower and 100 newton-meters of torque over the factory model. With 888 horsepower and 1,100 newton-meters of torque, the Superblack models accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds for both the Coupe and Cabriolet, while top speeds are electronically limited to 335 kilometers per hour, 208 miles per hour for the Coupe, and 285 kilometers per hour, 177 miles per hour for the convertible. Chassis upgrades are limited but effective. A lowering module drops the ride height by 20 millimeters, improving aesthetics and handling, while the active air suspension and optional carbon silicon carbide brakes enhance control and stopping power. Brabus offers the 900 Superblack either as a complete vehicle or as a conversion package for existing Continental GT and GTC owners, catering to enthusiasts who want a bespoke Brabus experience. Pricing reflects this exclusivity, starting at €489,200, $573,200 for the Coupe, and €538,800, $631,400 for the Cabriolet, well above the base Continental GT speed. The price premium underscores Brabus's focus on luxury, performance, and extreme individuality. The 900 Superblack is not just a tuned car, it is a reimagined masterpiece that blends supercar performance with high-end craftsmanship, creating a Bentley that no longer exists in its original form, but stands as a testament to Brabus's engineering prowess.